Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are diving into the brand new Nokia Magic Max 2025. This phone is making waves with its powerful features, stylish design, and Nokia's promise of durability. Is this the ultimate flagship killer? Let us find out. Starting with the features, Nokia has packed this phone with the latest and greatest technology. The display is a stunning OLED panel with a high refresh rate, giving you smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. The resolution is crisp, making everything from gaming to watching videos an immersive experience. Under the hood, the Magic Max runs on the most powerful chipset of the year, ensuring lightning-fast performance whether you're multitasking or running heavy apps. The phone comes with multiple RAM and storage options, giving users the flexibility to choose what suits them best. Battery life is another area where Nokia has focused heavily. With a massive battery capacity and cutting-edge fast charging technology, you can go all day without worrying about running out of juice. On the software side, Nokia delivers a near-stock Android experience with timely updates and long-term support. The camera setup is equally impressive. The primary sensor captures stunning photos with incredible detail even in low-light conditions. The ultra-wide lens adds versatility, while the telephoto lens offers optical zoom for crystal-clear close-ups. Nokia has also stepped up its AI processing, ensuring that every shot looks professionally edited. The front camera delivers sharp selfies and supports high-quality video calls, making it a solid choice for content creators and social media lovers. Now let us talk about the exterior. Nokia has always been known for its build quality, and the Magic Max is no exception. The phone features a premium glass and metal design with a sleek finish that feels solid in hand. The bezels are minimal, giving it a modern look, while the in-display fingerprint scanner ensures quick and secure access. The phone is also rated for water and dust resistance, adding to its durability. Nokia offers multiple color options, catering to different style preferences. In conclusion, the Nokia Magic Max 2025 is a powerhouse. It combines top-tier performance, a beautiful display, incredible cameras, and a premium design, all backed by Nokia's reputation for reliability. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, or just someone looking for a dependable smartphone, this device has something for everyone. Nokia is making a strong comeback in the flagship market, and this phone proves they mean business. What do you think about the Nokia Magic Max? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. See you in the next one. Here's your YouTube script for the Nokia Magic Max 2025. Let me know if you want any changes or additions.